Stutt bike ride. It's gonna be wet.
Huh?
It's gonna be wet.
Thank you.
Let's go. Are you guys ready?
Huh?
Ready. Some before and after. Park ride 2024. Lovely rain we've had. It's a bit slippery and slidey. Let's go try it. They should have marked that. Here we go, soft box. So I'm busy testing out a new Bridgestone gummy tire compared to a Dunlop gummy, and I must say, on this muddy, sketchy clip, it's holding up very nicely. The mud, the grass, this loose stuff here, it's actually holding up fantastically. We're gonna check it now when we get into the extremes. The soft cox is coming up. Okay, we started at the bottom of Stairway to Heaven. and soft cocks. Okay, let's test this tire. This is muddy terrain. Oh my goodness, it's grippy. You're right, dude. How's it going, Glenn? No, can't complain. This tire is fucking nice. Thanks, Branson. Fuck. Are we waiting for Cameron? Extreme. This is the Don't Tell Mom Extreme. Little bit of a, not a major off camber, but a little bit. A little bit of more off camber, but it's wet. Just about to say, where'd the markers go? Okay, this is a long ass hill that you have to hit it from the bottom and go. Let's go. Don't tell Mom I did this. Woo. Try not to tap off. Gaining traction. And it's raining harder here. This extreme I think is 4-fighter. So we've done 3. I think this is 4-fighter. Then it'll be fire belt and the roof of Kumakala. The roof's gonna be very interesting, but we're doing it anyway. And then we're gonna hit a second lap. Now we gotta do 4-fighter. I hope they don't take us into Nemesis. I doubt they will. There we're not gonna get out. But this is 4-fighter. Some off camber, slippery, slidey stuff. In the dry, this is iffy. What am I saying? I'm impressed with this tire. Just letting JP go ahead a little bit in case he decides he's gonna wash out. Whee! Needless to say, doesn't mean I won't wash out. But this is sketchy in the wet. Alright, now we got the log crossing. Try pop it. Almost. There we go. Okay, let me go that side. Okay, okay, down, okay. You want to jump on? And over. Not too much. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now you got to pick up the front. Oh, you got to pick up the front and pull it that way. Get it over your exhaust cord. There we go. Pop it. No, leave your tire there. Leave your tire there. Foot on that. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, half clutch. And pop it. Okay. You gotta do that. I know you haven't got traction, so you're gonna be like this. You're gonna hold your half clutch and you're gonna ride your clutch. You're gonna down, and as it comes up, you're gonna pull with your weight and you're gonna drop the clutch and pop it up. Turn your, yeah. So keep your front wheel there, like that. Okay. Hey, how does your undo it? There's one way to get over, and there's another way. You gotta let go of your clutch, eh? There we go. Okay, now you're up. Now and again. No. Now you gotta lean back, and you don't want your front wheel moving, so hold your brakes. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing, eh? Just sitting on the bike. Weight that back wheel and do it again. More throttle. You gotta flip the throttle, eh? There we go, nice. That's it. Now just give it throttle so we can get it over. There we go. Okay, I got you. Okay, now we just tilt it over. How does you undo it?
Put his bike sideways and put
He's like, oh, there's one way to do it. Put your bike on there and he just goes poof. And then there's another way, and Christian just rides this thing one shot. There we go, Billy Bolt.
What are you doing in the Christian? I don't know.
Wait. Okay, drop it. Sweet. It is wet, chaps. Are you going, Gary? Are you coming, Gary? This is a heck and a freaking off. Phew!
Mental on that one. Wish I had more fun with it.
I'm just gonna tie a knot. Not even gonna worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you gonna pull that off now?
We'll tie it. Hey?
I'll do that with Jones on.
When we get to the top, we'll just untie it, Cam.
Yes,
Go higher, Cam. Can you hold it? Wait. my turn. What a new fucking obstacle! No.
No, it's not cool.
Tie the rope, tie the rope. Just tie a normal knot, I don't care. You get it off now. What a fucking obstacle that is, fuck's sakes. Okay, try pulling a straight line.
So when you get to the tower,
How bad is it?
it's not bad.
Okay, we're going up.
Downhill, man.
31. How many days have done it?
You guys are probably like 12.
Because the extreme before this, like only 6 oaks have done it,
Everyone coming up, yeah.
including us. So where do you go? Straight up?
Oh, you got to go a couple hundred meters left. It's a more loop you got to do. Probably about.
Oh, so you come back down
You
here?
come back to me.
Oh, okay.
I'll make sure you're in one piece.
Lekker.
10K is good. It's about a 10K loop. Look,
This, 10Ks.
give or take.
Let's go have some fun.
Let me just get this number here.
Oh, fuck. Oh jeez, look at Cameron over there. Yo, I don't even know, I'm getting down here. Chaps, you've got to jump this. Because it's only a fucking way up. There we go. It'll be worth it when we're done.
You know what? I don't enjoy about enduro.
Huh? It's battling like it. Yeah. Oh, yep, that way. I know Jokazi was behind us. Okay, we're gonna have to just let it go. There we go. Check these fucking holes, this tree's fallen over. It made shit worse. There's the van down there. This is also the last part of the extreme. And look at all this water. How much rain we've had. This ground is soaked. I don't know if you guys can hear the tires.